Master Dynamic has a passion for building beautiful design, richly appointed, technically sophisticated sound for creative minds. They designed a product utilizing the finest components, most durable luxury materials to ensure decades of use. What's up, everybody? This is Eric back with another video. So Master Dynamic sent me out their wireless Bluetooth speaker here for review, and this is one of a kind because Master Dynamic, they is passionate about their design. They're passionate about everything that they do. If you remember on this YouTube channel, I reviewed the MW60s, which was a very good, one of my best reviews I've ever done because these headphones sound very good. And they sent me over the one-of-a-kind product here, which is all enclosed in concrete, and they have a 4-inch drivers with a 1.5 titanium tweeter in here. The MA770 is a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected speaker that's made from acoustic superior proprietary concrete composites. Also, it incorporates dual 4-inch woven Kevlar long throwing woofers and a 1.5 titanium tweeter, which are tuned to provide rich, detailed, expensive sound that perfectly fits the home or office or studio. The MA770 is Chromecast ready for Wi-Fi streaming, already built in with Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity. It has a diamond cut anodized aluminum. Also, the base port is advanced engineering for low frequencies without distortion. The inputs in the back is auxiliary and optical for turntable and TV and other sources. But all the magic happens with the design and these fine-tuned speakers that they have here. So you could do different modes. You could do Google Home, you could do Bluetooth, you could do optical. So all the controls is there. It's very unique and simplistic, but it's designed to give you all kinds of good rich sound and stuff like that. Now, in the package, it does comes with a magnetic grill, but I wanted to show you guys how the speakers look. But when you put on the magnetic grill, all right, so that gives you full protection if you have, kids around and stuff like that. You definitely don't want to poke holes in these speakers. So for this video purposes, I'm going to take this off, and I am going to let y'all guys listen to some of the tunes that I have queued up here. So I'm going to go to YouTube here, and I'm going to go to non-copyright music, and let's go on and play us some tunes real fast so we can hear how this speaker sound. Yeah, so while I got some non-copyright music playing here, I can tell you I've been listening to this for a while as I've been reviewing this product, and I'm gonna tell you the deep bass and the good highs sounds very good. I mean, very good. The idea of this speaker here is to put this in a stationary place, and you can have full controls over it via Bluetooth or Google Home, and it will definitely fill a room up. So let me go and turn it up a little bit. Man, this is great. I mean, full balance sound. Absolutely amazing. I've been listening to this speaker for a few days, and I am ecstatic on how good it sounds. I mean, the quality of it is like no other. The tunes, the bass, the highs, the mids is very tuned, very good quality. So shout out to Master Dynamic for sending me out for review. Now I'm going to rock this out for a little while, and I'm going to make a follow-up video on how good this sounds and the long-term effects of me using this constantly to give you guys some more details on the long-term effect of the MA770. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the MA770 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.